This is Cooking with Loy on Ask Loy. So Nat is, trying to have me cook some Jamaican food for him, and there was a debate whether or not I was going to cook curry shrimp or scallops, right?
Yes.
So we decided that we're going to do the shrimp instead because it's quick, it's easy, it's fun, and this is my lovely makeup artist that I love so much.
I love you too.
Okay, and when you cook, you cook with love and peace and understanding, and everybody enjoys the food. And cooking is such a communal thing, I think it is. Bring family together and friends together. So Nat, when you're starting to cook curry shrimp, all right, we're gonna cheat a little bit too because we need to cook fast. And you guys are hungry anyway. So we have some bell peppers. Here we go, just like that. Okay, we have 2 pounds of wild caught shrimp. Okay, that's what it looks like. Our green onions. Okay, there we go. Then we have an onion, 1 big onion. And then we also have a garlic, 1 huge garlic. Well, it's not huge, but it's okay. And then we have thyme, all right?
We have all the time in the world.
Oh, that's true. You know that? Okay, I like that one. Okay.
Oh, we forgot the cranberries.
Yeah, the cranberries now, we're gonna do cheap because, time is of the essence. So this is the wild mushroom herb, couscous, that takes about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna put some cranberry in it because cranberry and curry go so well together. And I also have some Jamaican seasoning. So now, pimento is also in our strong roots product, but what you don't know, pimento is also called allspice, and you can cook with it.
Oh, really? That's allspice?
That's allspice.
I really did not know there was pimento.
Yes, pimento is allspice. So we're going to cook with pimento, which is a key ingredient in when you're making curry or Jamaican curry, shrimp that is. I have some coconut milk, organic coconut milk. Then we also have some curry, some Blue Mountain Jamaican curry. See, it says hot on there. So it has a little cayenne in there, and I like cooking with this because it really brings out the flavor. Old Bay. I like cooking with Old Bay because it's really it kind of flavors the food a little bit. So we're gonna put all of this, okay, along with some Lawry seasoning salt with no MSG. Make sure you have that one. But being that I need to cook this rather quickly, a shortcut to cooking curry shrimp rather quickly is, we call it in Jamaica, your bun the curry fuss. All right, this is a quick meal. If you have just only 10 minutes or so and your family's hungry and you want to really cook a nutritious meal, this is the way to go. If you have high cholesterol, I would say stay away from the shrimp and substitute it with some chicken. This calls for 1 1/4 cup. We're also gonna put some butter, okay? And look, don't let anybody tell you that butter is not good for you. Good fats are good for you. Bad fats are bad for you. Good fats, guess what? Helps you to digest your food and also lose weight. And I should know, menopause hit me like a ton of bricks, like a freight train really. And I gained some pounds. But I also gained some assets. So you know what? I'm 50 this year and I'm okay with it. Will I lose weight again? Yes. But you know what? The idea is to be comfortable in your skin, okay? No matter which phase of life you're in. I was 16 once and I was cutie patootie. I was 25 once and I looked absolutely amazing. I was 30 once, it was great. I was 40 once, it looked wonderful. 45, you know what the heck you think you want to do. 50, you understand you have no idea what the hell is going on. All right, so that is being boiled, okay? Now what I'm going to do is to put my little cranberries in there. And if you don't know, couscous is the most easiest thing to cook, okay? So I'm putting my cranberries in there. Now there is a little sauce. All right, so we're gonna put that in there. It's boiled at the same time. If you're cooking couscous, all right, what you need to do is A, you season the water with anything you would like to cook the couscous in. And the couscous takes about 5 minutes. So when the water is boiled with all of the things you want to put in it, you turn the water off. Throw the couscous in, just like that. You're gonna mix it up and let the heat from the water cook the couscous, okay? So we're just gonna stir this. And if you notice, the couscous is swelling already anyway. All right, and we're just gonna turn it down until we turn it off. So I'm gonna put a pot cover on this baby, and you just let the warm water or the hot water cook it And that's good. So when we bun the curry now, this is my Jamaican pepper coming out. And I'm cooking by feel. So usually I would say a tablespoon, okay, should do. So with butter. You put it in butter and it's very high and you just start cooking it, okay? And we keep it moving. You smell that? It smells really good, doesn't it? I like that smell too. And now we're gonna just spin it around. You don't want to burn the curry that it turns dark because then that's a disaster. Allspice, because allspice is also very healing. So I just take a little sprig. It was just like this. Okay. So the idea is that you put this kind of seasoning in first. Think about it as you're layering your flavors. Okay. Okay, so first you have the curry. Now you have the garlic, the onion, the green onions, and the onions itself. Alrighty then. And the last thing we're gonna put in it will be the sweet peppers. And we also need the thyme. Alright? Coconut milk. Throw this in here now, and we are going to turn up the fire. So when I turn up the fire, okay? And stir, and stir, and stir. We're gonna have to kind of steam the shrimp. Now, when you know when shrimp is cooked is when it turns pink.
Yes.
Okay? Don't overcook the shrimp, anybody, because it will be like rubber. It doesn't taste really good anyway. Yep, and you just stir it over, stir it over. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna taste it.
Is it good?
Oh God.
It's delicious.
Okay.